Hey guys, it's Laura from Tiger Kitty Co. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to do a plan with me in my recollections planner as a budget plan with me for January 22nd to the 28th. And I'm going to use this, not really kit, I guess, a la carte pieces from Piper Paper Company. And she's a really affordable shop. I love her work. She sometimes does or often does $12 Tuesdays, but I think this was like a $2 Tuesday kind of thing. So each sheet was $2, but then they were on sale. Like there was an additional coupon code. So I think they were like $1.50 each or something like that. So super affordable. And I only picked up pieces of the kit. I didn't pick up the entire thing, but I have plenty to work with. So these are the beautiful full boxes. And then I got this functional sheet that has another full box, bill dues, flags, movie marquee, weekend banner, and some icons. I picked up the full box checklist because I love the glitter outlines on her boxes. So cute. I picked up the washi sheet, and this kit is called Wander, or all these pieces are from Wander. I picked up the half box sheet, which has a lot of really functional stuff on it. I picked up the extras sheet, the sidebar sheet, which has habit tracker for weekly, like a checkbox with the pattern, 2 regular habit trackers, and some headers. And then I picked up glitter headers instead of regular headers and like check flags. So I'm just going to use glitter, which is totally fine. And no date covers, which is also totally fine. And I was looking at the little things. So there are 7 TVs. There are 8 dinner things. So for the dinners, you could pick like any of the colors, but because there are only 7 of the TVs, and I think I'll use them for like my filming schedule, I'm going to kind of stick with this color scheme, but I'm going to do something a little bit different because this weekend banner is this light green color. So I think I'm going to put both light greens on Saturday, Sunday, and do it a little bit differently that way. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but you know, I thought it was a good time to kind of play around and just do something a little bit different. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use this full box or not. Like it's like the quote box. I just don't know if I care for it. I kind of like it plain better. I don't know. We'll decide that later. We're going to start with bottom washi. And I feel like this half should go this way, like the shorter half, instead of this way. I feel like the trees are upside down that way, so I'm not sure. I'm going to put the long side down first, and then see how it looks. And these are 2 different pieces, the glitter and the other part, so you could do like one or the other, or you can layer them, or you can put the other one like across as like a glitter header, like across a bunch of headers, or whatever you wanted. I like the glitter, so I'm going to use the glitter with the bottom washi. And I will probably fast forward a lot of this video. If you watched my last plan with me from yesterday, I have strep throat. I feel a little bit better today. Today's Saturday. I filmed yesterday's video on Friday. I've been taking amoxicillin, like 2 doses of it. So hopefully I'll just keep getting better. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this washi is supposed to go this way. I feel like that would be upside down trees. So we're going to put it that way. I don't know. I could be wrong, but so yeah, I've only been on amoxicillin for like 2 doses. So I'm still contagious. I'm still not feeling great, but I'll get through it. I'm just glad I was able to get to the doctor before the weekend, because I was really afraid I was going to have to go the whole weekend without having been seen and having any medicine to make me better. So I'm very grateful for that. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to do, I think, both light greens on the weekend, and I'm trying to decide where I want everything. I kind of want the full boxes, I think, just up at the top, and then maybe the middle boxes will be kind of like little things, and then checklists along the bottom. Maybe. So I think we'll just stick these here, and because that double washi is a little bit thicker, I think I'm going to be going up on the headers a little, which ultimately is totally fine. Oh, this is tricky. So which is which? I think this is the light green color. I guess I have this upside down. It's okay. Okay, I think I am done. Let's see, what do I have going on this week? I have Happy Meal coming Monday, Wednesday. I'll have videos going up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday, and then I'll be filming Friday, editing and uploading on Saturday. We have a board meeting this day. And then PBC sale starts Friday and goes through Sunday. And I have nuclear lab kits for my chemistry class being delivered on Friday. And then I have a bill due on Saturday. Other than that, it's just a straightforward work week. So I left, some boxes that I can fill in as things come up because I don't really know a whole lot. Not sure how I feel about the whole making the weekend all one color. It made the rest of this a little bit weird, but not too weird. I don't know. I might play around with that again, but like this day and the sidebar now kind of match, and I don't know if that's too close together. I don't know. Not sure how I feel about it. Over here, I'll do vitamins and skincare and steps and water, and then just like a general to-do list. My dinners are in here. And then I'll probably use some of these icons and things. And I can layer over a lot of these boxes, so I might do that. I have more boxes left. I have some headers in this poor little box that I ripped up. I have a couple glitter headers. I used all of the full boxes. I have a few little things, and I have one glitter checklist left. So this is my spread, the second half and the first half. I don't know. I think it's really pretty. It's very wintry. I love the colors, love the glitter. I generally love everything Piper Paper Company does. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. Sorry if I was not talking during this video. Again, my throat is killing me, so I'm gonna actually go and drink some more orange juice. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought, and let me know if you guys are picking anything up during the PBC sale. I'm probably gonna shop Rose Colored Days and Creating & Co. because she revamped some of her older kits that I love, and I'm not sure who else. Maybe Planting Roses. I haven't shopped with her for a while. I can't really remember who else is on the shop list. There's so many sales, but yeah, I shouldn't be buying anything, but I need some Rose Colored Days stuff, so I will be doing that. All right, have a good day, you guys. I will see you in my video tomorrow, which will be Tuesday if you're watching this, and that will be a haul. And then we'll have a plan with me, and then some TN stuff, and then I won't have a video again until Sunday. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave any comments, questions, concerns, ideas down below. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.